Hello guys, and welcome to my first video about the drawing series. In this video I am going to just tell about the basic requirements that you will need before you start to draw. So I think the most important thing you need to draw is pencils, obviously. And here I have some Faber-Castell shading pencils on the pack of 6. It is having 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B and 8B. And it don't cost much, 45 rupees only. And then I have one cutter. You can use this cutter to sharpen your pencil, because you can also use the sharpener, or maybe you can use cutter for getting tip of the pencil sharp. And here I have some eraser. I suggest these erasers because you can just use them to do the sharp corner type of thing, because you can just take the tip out of them and then use it to erase some fine details to your painting. So it's quite useful during the drawing. And this is the Pit Artist pen, and it's of Faber-Castell. It cost 400, but I ordered it online and it cost me 375 by Amazon. So I will give you the links of this all items below in the description. And then I have this mechanical pencil of 2 mm. So you can use it to make the layout and so on. Then I have a sketchbook in which I started making the drawings. So at the starting I started up with some realistic eyes. Then I used the cup, and when my pen arrived I just tried that cup, and I think this looked better than this one. So that's why I prefer Pit Artist pens. And next to that I draw a live photo of my iPod G6. I think it's pretty good, and Apple is quite good, as we all know. So next I have this photo of the scenery which I saw on YouTube, and then I thought of drawing it myself. Then next to it I have these trees. I think these trees are pretty well, especially this one. That's not so good, but yeah, that's okay. I made it in a pretty well time. So next again I have a photo from a Google, and this too a photo from a Google, but I made some adjustment of my own, so that because it was coming till here, then I have to extend it, so it was an issue. Then the last drawing which I made some time ago was this. This drawing was also made by Faber-Castell Pit Artist pens, and it's basically a scenery that I saw on Google, and then I thought of drawing it myself. So, and one of the last thing that you would need is obviously a board, a drawing board, exam board, whatever. And then if you don't want to use the Pit Artist pen, or you don't want to buy it, you can just use a black pen or other fountain pens, etc. So that's all for this video. Guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for visiting.